Alright, just a quickie. We're working on a Browning Eagle Mark II. So we replaced the capacitors. That's a can capacitor. It has 3 caps in it. So we replaced those with 3 new modern caps. One shorted tube. Replaced that. Just got done servicing the knobs. Seems to be working. So yeah, went from dead to working. Catch me later. We're gonna wrap this up, I guess. Thanks for watching my video. Sorry this one's so quick, but hey, fortunately it's just turning out to be a repair. Psychotech Labs signing off. Yep, there it is. The Browning Eagle Mark II. Yep. It's all back together. It's working as good as an old girl with her age can work. Yeah, buddy. Let's see, thanks for watching my video. Sorry it's just a quickie, but thank God it was just a repair, not a rebuild. See you later. Psychotech Labs signing off.